Hey, what's going on? Sean Valancourt coming at you. Thanks for stopping by. Today I will be talking about a couple different things. An affiliate marketing course that's virtually free. You'll see at the very end here. But also, the main thing is we'll be talking about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Okay, so it's pretty simple. I have a simple way to explain how it works. Is you start off with a product. It's a product that someone else owns, made, whatever. It could be a service, it could be a physical product, it could be a how-to book, you name it. And then there's you as the affiliate. What you do is you market their product, and when you get a sale, they get a portion of the revenue because you basically sold their product, so obviously they get some of the money. But you also get a commission, which is pretty cool. Now, depending on what you're selling, you might get 10%, 30%, 50%. But some products even give you 100% of the initial sale when you first make the sale. And I'll get a little deeper into that a little further in this video. So what I want to talk about next is just as a beginner affiliate marketer or online marketer, how to choose a product. First, you just want to pick something that you can stand behind. It's a lot easier if you actually believe in the product. There's a million things you can sell out there with affiliate marketing. So start out by picking something that you can stand behind. It'll make it a lot easier for you to actually be successful with this business model. Number two, pick a product that can provide you with passive income, guys. Here's what I mean by that. You can actually sell a product where you sell it today, you get a commission today, and then that's it. Done. No more. But what if you could actually sell a product, get a commission today, and then get a commission next month, and then get a commission next month, and on for as long as that person is connected to the service that you sold them. That sounds like a much better way to do business, right? Okay. So that being said, I just want to talk about two of the products that I do promote that actually do provide passive income and that I believe in and actually use myself. The first one's something called Builderall, and it's just an all-in-one marketing solution for online success. So it's something that any internet marketer would use, online marketer, or even regular brick and mortar that wants to have a website presence. It has all kinds of different things in it, which I'll get into a little bit for you later on. But I'll just kind of keep this one short right now. The second thing that I promote is something called the CBD Challenge. And the reason that I promote that is, A, it has the passive income that I talked about, but B, I've actually been using the products and they're working for me. One thing that helped me with quite a bit was one of the creams helps me with my lower back pain, but also the CBD oil helps me sleep a little bit better at night. I've always sort of been an insomniac, and I'm actually sleeping a little bit better. So for me, that was pretty cool. But beyond that, President Trump just passed something called the 2018 Farm Bill. And what that did is it actually legalized hemp production in all 50 states. And it actually took CBD off the controlled substance list. So this thing will blow up in the future. In fact, analysts are forecasting that this thing will grow from right now about a $700 to $800 million business per year to about as much as 20 to 22 billion per year, which is crazy, right? So that's why I've selected that particular product. Now, above and beyond that, why did I pick Builderall and the CBD Challenge? We already talked about the passive income piece, right? So we know that that's why I dove in and chose that product. But the other reason is probably just as important because I did some affiliate marketing like 10 years ago. I got sidetracked, got away from it, and stopped doing it. At the time, I was actually only selling one and done products, and that's why I'm telling you right now, pick something that has passive income. it was great that I made money from it then, but what if I kept making money month in and month out after that? I'd probably be in a different place in my life financially than what I am right now. But number two is that both of these programs have this intense training that you get pretty much free of charge. So if you decide that you want to promote these products and join, then you get access to training that's put on by super affiliates. A couple of them are 7-figure marketers. One of them is a 6-figure marketer, and they give you training. It's all the nuts and bolts. Shows you exactly what to do, how to do it, how to execute, how to get your first sale, you name it. Everything you need to know, and it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or intermediate, you can learn something from these trainings. So that being said, I'm going to dive in and just show you the back office of both of these really quick and just kind of show you a little bit about the training. Literally, I've seen courses like this where people try to sell them for like $1,000. It's crazy. So first and foremost is this CBD challenge. You actually get access to one video every single day if you enroll for free. And it's 90 days worth of videos and training. So the very first thing you get right here is you actually just get website week. Just this one video is just an introduction. And then from there it shows you how to set up your CBD page stores, setting up your CBD domain name, using the URL shortener, which also helps you track it, setting up your CBD challenge pages, your recruiting pages, affiliate links, tracking and testing, you name it. And it goes through all kinds of different things, from legalities, knowledge, branding, marketing, advertising, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, list building, distributors, CBD worldwide, and dispensaries, you name it. And you also get a few other bonus things as well. So it's pretty cool. If you wanted to get access to all of this stuff sooner rather than later, there's actually ways where you can upgrade and you'll have access to all of it instantly. That way you can sort of launch your success a lot more quickly than just waiting for 90 days to get all the stuff. It's pretty cool. Now I'm jump on over to the Builderall virtual office, and where I'm at right now is just in the back office, and there's a lot of things that you can do here. You can create web pages, you can create landing pages, you can create email opt-in pages, presentations, you name it. But it also has loads of training. And this is put on by one of the, I think he's either the number 2 or number 3 affiliate in this program. And then if you did happen to buy with my link or get started with my link, you'll actually get training from another marketer who's actually the number 1 marketer as well. You have access to some of his funnels and tools and stuff like that. And you may not use it all, but it may help you sort of, it gets the mind going and helps you just be a little bit creative on your own, borrowing some of their stuff. But in the training, you basically get access to 3 different levels. You have the basic training, which is perfect for a beginner. And I'm going to kind of move on over there right now and just show you a little bit of what you get. And there's actually a couple different sets of trainings in here, but this is the main one. So first and foremost, they talk about how it works. Talk about what not to do and why most people fail. Search versus social, 2 ways to promote, how to navigate and get your links, how to get your first sale, Facebook training again, YouTube. I mean, YouTube is huge. So, I mean, there's like 6 videos on exactly what to do on YouTube, you name it. How to use Quora to get sales. So there's just a ton of stuff here. And then what happens is once you get 3 sales, you get access to more of the training. You can move on to the intermediate and advanced. So it's pretty cool stuff. Anyhow, that's a wrap for today. Thank you for stopping by. If you want to check out and follow me on my affiliate marketing journey, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That way you can kind of track my success and hopefully learn a few things along the way if you decide you want to get started with affiliate marketing. If you do want to check out either one of these programs, just go on to check out the description below, and I'll have a couple links down there and you can check it out for yourself. Thank you and take care. Bye-bye.